With PDMPublisher, you don't need to worry about complex conditions. Just click Publish, and instantly, you're presented with a clear breakdown of all file references that match your configured rules. The References dialog feels familiar. It is presented like a bill of materials. You'll see a simple checklist in the first column, along with document names, the folders they're found in, their configurations and quantities, all relative to the top-level assembly. There's even a Has Drawing column, so you know exactly which files already have associated drawings. At the top of the dialog, you'll find helpful stats about the number of unique parts and configurations. These reflect the checked items in the bill of materials grid. Need to reset your list? Click Uncheck. Want everything included? Just click Check. You can also search across any column, making it easy to isolate exactly what you need, whether it's a specific part, assembly, or drawing. You can also add columns from the list of custom properties to tailor your view. In this example, we've added part number, giving even more clarity to what's being exported. And when you click on an item, a preview pops up, giving you a quick glance at the document. It auto-hides after 10 seconds, but you can pin it, dismiss it, or turn it off entirely. Once your selection is ready, hit Continue to start the export, or press Cancel to stop the operation with a single click if you are unsure. That's it. No clutter, no confusion, just powerful visual exporting with PDMPublisher. Get your free version today at pdmpublisher.com.